Hi, this is Jack with PagersDirect. Today we're going over one of our most popular paging services called virtual paging. Virtual paging is the paging service where there is no physical pager involved. Your paging alerts will come through a pager app on your smartphone. The paging app that we're featuring today is called Pager from AMC Logic Ltd. Virtual paging allows you to be paged through the phone, which means it will work anywhere your phone has cellular service or Wi-Fi service. So if you're traveling nationwide or even internationally, as long as your phone can get a signal, you can get paged. There's a common question we have is, can I get paged anywhere in the world? And it is quite possible using this service. And it's very inexpensive compared to nationwide paging or satellite paging. First thing to do is go into the App Store on your iPhone, type in the word pager, and there's going to be multiple apps to come up, but the one you want to download is called Pager from AMC Logic. It's going to say Pager now with touch tone service. So if you see the app now with touch tone service underneath the word pager, that's the one. It's got a black and white icon. You'll download it to the phone. For speed purposes, we already have it on the phone. We're just going to hit open. And after you log in using your email address and an 8-character password of your choice, consisting of at least one capital letter, one number, and a symbol such as a $sign, it will take you into this screen. You're going to want to hit the symbol with the 3 bars up in the top left corner. The menu will open up, and you want to go about halfway down. It's going to say change pager number. A number is going to come up that's unique to your app. In this particular app, the number is 799-2692. This number is not the pager phone number that you give out to people. We're going to assign that to you once you sign up for the service. This is simply an internal number that we link the pager number to, so when someone calls you, it knows to ring your app and not someone else's. The other settings that you're going to pay attention to are the ringtone. There are a ton of them, and some of them are really obnoxious and loud, and they will wake you up out of a sound sleep. And others are more subtle, such as like a cell phone sound or a car alarm. But you can experiment. It will go off for a little while, so I'm not going to play with them right now in this video. But I just want you to be aware that there are a lot of choices. And another nice feature is the repeat alert feature. You can set the app to alert you up to 3 hours in 5-minute increments. So it goes all the way from do not repeat alerts all the way up to once, twice, and anywhere in between. So that really comes in handy if you don't hear the phone right away, or maybe you're in the middle of a call and it doesn't get your attention. It will get your attention eventually. Okay, so once you sign up for the service on our website, and I'm going to go into that in a minute. I'm going to go to our website, and if you're doing it from a phone, just click on the little 3 bars up on our website, go to virtual paging, and then go to pager app. Okay, scroll down. Basically tells you briefly about the app and how to download it, which is what we're doing here. And then you'll just click on the picture of the iPhone, scroll down, and there'll be a form to fill out. We offer monthly, 3-month plans, 12-month plans, which are our most popular, and a 24-month plan. You will notice the average monthly rate drops substantially. It starts off at $18.95 a month and then drops down into a little over $12.95 a month when you do the 12-month plan, and averaging $13.36. That's it. So when you scroll down a little further, you will choose the plan. I'm going to click the 12-month plan, and then I'm going to enter that number that showed up in the pager app. So in this case, it's 799-2692. Okay, then the next box, type in the phone number that you would like your pager number to be local to. It doesn't necessarily have to be local to where you live. Most people would want local, but let's say you want to be on the down low and you live in Los Angeles, but you want to have a Philadelphia phone number. Just type in area code for Philadelphia and put the name of the city next to it. Philadelphia. Okay. Next thing, email capable. Just like a regular pager, you can either get a numeric pager that can only display numbers, or you can get a email text capable pager for an extra $6 a month. With this service, well, if you choose the email capability by hitting that radio button, you'll get not only a pager phone number, but a separate pager email address, so you can read emails through your pager app. I'm going to go back to no thank you and just keep it on numeric. The type of pager number you want, since we decided to go with a Philadelphia number, you just keep it on local. But if you wanted a toll-free number that starts off with 800 or 877, just choose the toll-free number. And voicemail options. This will allow people to leave a voicemail just like on a cell phone or on your home phone. And if someone does that, you're going to get a page with your own pager phone number displaying. It's not going to announce the voice call through the app. It's just going to alert you with your own pager number. And then from your phone, you'll call into your pager number, hit 0, a 4-digit access code that will assign, and then you can listen to the voicemail the person left. And there's several voicemails to choose from. And then the last option is the billing method desired. Our most popular is we'll send you an emailed auto pay invoice when your bill is due. You can enter a credit card in there, and at your option, you can select that you want to be automatically charged once a year or every 3 months or whatever your payment interval is. And then you'll just hit add to cart, and it'll take you into the shopping cart, and you can check out using a major credit card. And it gives you a summary, and you can add any notes here if there's something special you need us to know regarding your order, and you'll just check out. Okay, once the Pager app subscription is set up and you paid for the service, we'll assign you a pager number. You'll get it via email, and you can start using the app at that point. It works just like a regular pager. A person will call the pager phone number from a touch-tone phone. They'll type in the number they would like to have appear on your app, and they hit the pound sign. They'll hear a series of fast beeps, and they can hang up. And then within usually a minute to 2 minutes, the app will alert you. From the home screen, a little window will pop up with the pager number or the number that they typed in, and then you can go into the app for a little bit more detail. If you have an Apple Watch, you can get alerted on the watch screen itself. So that comes in handy. It's like having a pager on your wrist. So keep that in mind if you use both the iPhone and an Apple Watch. It will give you a date stamp, time stamp, the number that was typed in, and in this case, we just typed in a bogus 877 number. As more pages come in, it will start filling in this white space, and then you can just scroll up and down to see your pages. If you don't need to have the history anymore, just click on the 3-bar icon, hit delete all messages. It will confirm you hit delete, and the message will be gone. Thank you for watching.